What's good to eat nowadays? Do you know?
If you don't know, then let's learn.
In today's lesson we will learn what foods are good to eat and when.
We're gonna learn about the 6 alkaline foods that will detox your body.
These foods are Dr. Sebi approved foods and can be found in the nutritional guide provided by Jordan Cell Food when you place your order at www.jordancellfood.com. So let's get started. Spring water helps to maintain the pH balance of your body. It also provides your body minerals. And it helps to clear the toxins from all the major organs in your body.
Dandelion's antioxidants are very beneficial to the body, especially your liver and gallbladder, because it improves their general performance and also protects the body from the toxins that are leaving your body during a cleansing.
Cloves is another good antioxidant. Because of its high content of antioxidants, they are ideal for protecting your organs from the harmful effects of toxins. It is especially good for your liver. Dill's compounds are traditionally known to prevent most infections because of its ability to remove toxin from the body.
Some sources suggest drinking half of your body weight in water daily. For example, if you weigh 200 pounds, then you should drink 100 ounces of water every day. Watermelons contain high levels of potassium, which is very good for detoxing and cleansing your organs. It is especially good for flushing out your kidneys.
The seeded grapes' antitoxin qualities are great in keeping good eye health. It helps to keep the optic nerve and your central nervous system functioning properly. Now that ends our lesson for today. Remember, only eat Dr. Sebi approved foods and to go to www.jordancellfood.com for herbal supplements that are similar to Dr. Sebi's. And please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.